Understanding, TBH, to be honest, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a popular phrase you've likely seen online or heard in conversations. TBH, which stands for, to be honest. Whether you're chatting with friends or scrolling through social media, understanding this phrase will help you communicate more naturally in English. So, let's get started. TBH is an acronym that stands for, to be honest. In English, this phrase is used to introduce a statement that expresses the speaker's honest opinion, thought, or feeling about a subject. It's a way to signal that you are about to share a personal viewpoint or a truth that you believe is important. TBH can be used in both written and spoken English, though it's especially common in digital communication, such as texts, emails, and social media. Using TBH is quite straightforward. It can be placed at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence, depending on what you're trying to convey. Here are a few examples to show you how it's done. Beginning of a sentence, TBH, I'm not a big fan of this movie. Middle of a sentence, I think, TBH, that we should try something different. End of a sentence, that's the best ice cream I've ever had, TBH. In each case, TBH helps to emphasize the honesty of the statement that follows or precedes it. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. Understanding and using phrases like TBH can significantly enhance your English communication skills, especially in informal settings. It shows that you're comfortable expressing your genuine thoughts and feelings, which can help build trust and authenticity in your relationships. Furthermore, recognizing these acronyms can improve your comprehension of English as it's used in real-life situations, making your learning journey more engaging and practical. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of TBH, to be honest, in English communication. Incorporating phrases like this into your vocabulary can make your conversation sound more natural and relatable. So, TBH, we're excited to see how you'll use this new knowledge in your English adventures. Don't forget to practice, and as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.